How to fix Twitch Prime subscription not showing up. Hey guys, let's get started. Many Twitch users have reported this issue and it can be a real headache. Fortunately, here are some potential solutions that you can try to this problem. To get started with, the first solution to this problem can be checking your subscription status. For this, log in into your Twitch account, click on your profile picture from the top right corner, go to settings, click on Twitch Prime, then check if your membership is active and that you have linked your account. Second is check the subscription options. You should get a button said as subscribe with Prime. Sometimes the checkbox is not automatically selected, which can cause the Prime shop to not show up. Third is ensure your Prime membership is active. To check this as well, log into your Amazon account and go to the Prime membership page. Fourth is log out and log in back. If your subscription status is not correct, logging out would be helpful, but do this for both of your accounts, that is Twitch and Amazon. Fifth is clear your browser's cache and cookies. Likewise, sometimes the Elevate subscription option might be turned on, so for this, reconnect the Amazon to see the option. Likewise, another is disable any ad blockers and extensions that are added. This can also help to solve the problem. If none of the steps seems to be working, try switching or accessing Twitch on a different browser. Sometimes browser specific issues can also cause the problem. So this was some of the troubleshooting steps that you can try. Make sure to try each of it, and that's all for today's video. For any updated contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.